Yeah. Okay, it is.
Okay, we have some noise. A whistle blown.
Whirlpool short run flexi-cook induction stove.
Stove, cool. Look, we tried it and it works awesome.
Yeah.
Let's show people how induction will heat our
Kettle.
kettle.
Put it. Turn on the stove.
Turn the on stove.
Select the one you're cooking with. And choose the power. What
Max
power?
Max 2P. Max. Yeah, it's max. Max power. Okay. If you need to make less power for this heating,
You
easy
just
to do.
press.
You just need to select what stove you need to make
Less power.
Yeah, less power. Choose it, and then you choose make power less.
Yeah, no, put it back.
Or put it back to max. It's easy.
Yeah.
Awesome magnet device. But you need dishes or plates and
Which are for the induction stove.
yeah, induction stove.
For example, this kettle is induction.
Yeah, maybe it's from IKEA because it looks like I see the same in IKEA.
Hey, that was my line.
Okay. How many times we need to make our kettle hot?
No idea.
I think 2 minutes will be enough for it.
Yeah, probably. Let's just wait until it whistles like crazy.
Yeah. All cookers here have the same power.
Yeah, and they're the same size.
Yeah, the size.
The same area of heat. Max power makes everything burn. Like, we tried to fry some eggs.
Yeah.
That was a disaster.
Because even we did not know how to make the power less.
Yeah.
But now we know.
It's about to start whistling. Come on, come on.
Look! It's almost hot. 100 degrees above Celsius.
Almost. Yeah. Okay, it is.
Okay, we have some noise. A whistle blown. Turn it off, turn it off.
Yeah.
It's okay, it's working. And now it's hot.
Yeah, now I can make some tea.
You can make some tea.